So welcome back. Now I hope you have understood the basic purpose of automated mails. These types of mails not only save the time but also leaves a good impression on customers or prospects as they receive the timely information. So let us talk about one more form of automation mails. This type of mail is very simple and I hope all of us must have experienced it. This is about sending birthday emails to the subscribers. Let us see how to design it in an automated mode. From automatic campaigns, select Happy Birthday campaign. Give any name to this campaign, select the audience list and begin. First of all, make sure that in your audience list there is birthday field containing date of birth of your subscribers. Next, we have the place to set the trigger. When you want to send, one day before the birthday or on the same day. If you want to edit it, then just click edit and set the suitable options. Next, we have schedule. At what time every day you want to send the mail, you can adjust it from here. Next, we have the filter. If you want to send the birthday greeting to a particular segment or to a particular tag, then you can set it from here. Just choose the segment or tag. Now let us design the mail. Here we have various fields and we are quite familiar with these fields. Just have a look at them and make the necessary changes. Click Next. Select the suitable template. Click Next. And design your birthday message here. You may add few blocks to this message by following the same procedure that we discussed in the last module. Save and continue. Press Next. Everything seems to be okay. Just click Start Sending. Confirm it. Rock on. You have started the automation. Next, we have very common type of mail automation, that is share blog updates. If you are a blogger, you would love it. The purpose of this automation is to send the blog updates to the subscriber. That means if you have added any new post or post to the blog, the message will go to the subscriber in an automated way. It will keep your subscriber informed about your post and will increase the traffic of your site. Let us see how to set it. From automatic mail, select Share blog updates. Give any name to the campaign and select the respective audience list and begin. Here we have to make some RSS feed changes. RSS stands for Really Simple Syndication. So it is useful when you want to share the updates of your website in a very summarized form to the subscribers. Just give the link of your website or a blog here. Let us set schedule of sending the mail to the subscribers. If you want to resize the RSS images that will be used in your mail taken from your post, just check it. Press Next. Let it be entire audience. Next. This is the campaign information and you are already familiar about various fields here. Just make some modification you want. Check Personalize To field. Next, select an appropriate template for sending the message. Here you can see on the right hand side, we have new RSS block. Drag and drop the RSS header to the template. Similarly, drag and drop RSS item to the template. click and close. If you want to make some modification in these blocks, you can just make them. See, there is one problem. Let us resolve it before we send it finally. This is the default text of the template. We cannot use it. It's better to replace it with your original content. Save and close. Next. Now you are all set to send. Click Start RSS, confirm it, done and done. Now new update of your blog will be directly delivered to the subscribers automatically. Great. Let me explain few more forms of automated emails, especially in e-commerce domain. Although these forms are available in premium version of MailChimp, but still I will give you an overview of these campaigns and you can further explore them at your own. First, we have Thank First Time Customers. In this campaign, you can say thank to your first time customers. As we don't have any e-commerce store, so I cannot show you all details of this type of campaign. Next, we have Reward Your Best Customers. With this type of mail, you can offer discounts or coupons to your best customers automatically based on their purchase frequency. Next mail is very important, that is Turn on Abandoned Cart Mail. If you are an e-commerce website, then you can send this type of mail. If someone browses your product, add to the cart but exit from the website without purchasing anything. This type of mail can be sent in an automated mode and it will remind your customer to buy the product. Next, we have Enable Order Notification. With this, you can send the order confirmation and shipping confirmations automatically to the customers. You can also send a follow-up email to the customers to review the product or to have the feedback about the product from the customers. You can also send a follow-up email to the customers to review the product or to have the feedback about the product from the customer. It will be done automatically. You can also send a winning back mail to the lost customers. Lastly, we have retargeting of the customers. This type of mail is very useful when a prospect visits your website and you want to send him a mail or want to show an advertisement to the customer. Let me show you how to use retarget visitor mail. To use this type of mail, you have to connect your site to the MailChimp. Click Connect Your Site. There are various apps and plugins through which you can connect your site to the MailChimp. But as we don't have any e-commerce store, so we will simply use the WordPress option to connect our site to the MailChimp. Select WordPress, enter URL of your site and get code. This is the code that you have to paste in your WordPress website. To do it, open the WordPress dashboard of your website. Go to Appearance, Theme Editor. Now, from the right hand side of the theme files, click Theme Footer. Just scroll down the theme code to the bottom. Just above the body tag, we have to paste our code. Copy the code, paste it here. Make sure that you have pasted the code just above the body tag. Don't make any change in the rest of the code. One wrong step may spoil your entire website. Update the file. Go back to MailChimp and check connection. Your website is now connected. Now you will be able to send the retargeting mails and ads using various platforms to your visitor who will land on your website. Let us try it out. Again, we have to use the Google Ads. I will talk about first Google Ads in the respective modules and then I will come back to the MailChimp to tell you about this process. Save your campaign. So with this, we came to an end of this module. I always say that there is no other way to learn digital marketing than the practice. So do the practice at your home. Design your own email marketing campaigns and become an effective email marketer. Thank you so much for being with me.